2023 Audi 5 rupees adds a hardcore competition package. We suspect this $16,100 package will make the 5 rupees drive a whole lot differently. The 2023 Audi 5 rupees is getting a little more serious with the addition of a new and comprehensive competition package. Available for both the 5 rupees Coupe and Sportback, this $16,100 package dramatically ramps up performance, and it sure should for that amount of cash. A fixed and more aggressive coilover suspension is installed, and the car's ride height is reduced by 0.4 inch. The suspension system is height adjustable, though, and owners can lower it another 0.4 inch to be 0.8 inch lower than a standard 5 rupees. A new sport sway bar is installed in front, and mega grippy Pirelli P0 Casa tires are fitted at all 4 corners, wrapping new 19-inch wheels. The Quattro Sport rear differential is enhanced to increase agility further in dynamic mode. The ABS system is tuned differently, and Audi claims the stopping distance from 62 to 0 miles per hour is reduced by 6.5 feet. The carbon ceramic brake package comes standard with this model. Even the steering is addressed, and Audi says it's dialed in to be more precise than before, offering a fixed ratio of 13.1:1. The laundry list of changes continues. Audi reprogrammed the transmission control unit for reduced shifting times and to make the different modes more distinct. The all-wheel drive system is retuned to shift more power to the rear wheels, though Audi doesn't provide specific torque distribution figures. Top speed is raised by 6 miles per hour above the Dynamic Plus package's top speed of 174 miles per hour, making the new top end 180 miles per hour. A new, and exclusive to this package, exhaust system is fitted that offers a more intense sound. Plus, Audi did away with 18 pounds of sound deadening between the engine compartment and interior to allow more engine sound to penetrate the cabin. Package-exclusive interior appointments include Pearl Nappa and Dynamica seat materials that replace the fine Nappa seats. A number of other components are newly wrapped in Alcantara featuring red stitching, and these include the steering wheel, shift lever and center console. Both the seat belts and floor mats get new red edging to keep the red theme going. The Audi ground projection lights will feature an RS competition logo, and the digital cluster has a new display called Runway Mode that is exclusive to the competition package model. Extra carbon fiber is added to the exterior, including for the front splitter, rear diffuser and side mirrors. Black exterior trim is an option. The trim on other 5 rupees models, but Audi uses a high-gloss black finish as standard on the competition models. There is one exterior paint option exclusive to the competition package model, and that's the Sebring Black Crystal Effect paint you see in photos here. Before other options, a 2023 Audi 5 rupees Coupe with the competition package costs $93,095, including the destination charge. If you want the Sportback model, that'll cost $93,395. Audi says you'll be able to order this model starting in June this year, but does not specify when they'll be expected in dealers.